Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to make zucchini bread cake. So I never made this before, so we're gonna make it together. Okay, I have to grate the zucchini first. So let me do that. I already peeled and cleaned it. So now I'm just gonna grate it up a bit. This is one of our last harvest from from our garden. I have a feeling that this is way too much zucchini. It only asks for 2 cups. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit more. We're gonna put like 4 cups. Okay, perfect. That's well over 2 cups of grated zucchini. Nice. Okay, so now what we're going to do with that is just with a paper towel, just press on it, just to get a little bit of the moisture out. But actually it's not bad at all. Okay. So now we're going to whisk together the 2 cups of flour, the salt, the cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder. So whisk that together, and that's done. And we're going to set that aside. So we've got our zucchini is ready, our flour is ready. Okay. So I'm trying to put all.
Oh, he's gone. Come. Hey. Come, baby, go.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Bruce. I think Bruce is going to help me cook. The Batman is going to help me make this bread that I've been trying to put together for the last hour. Okay, so now we're going to mix up. We've got 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and now we're going to add 3 eggs. That's 3. And blend that up. Okay. Okay, so we're going to mix that up for a little bit. Beautiful. Nice and creamy. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients, which is the flour and everything else. I'm going to add in half at a time. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix the zucchini into the batter. The oven, you put it at 350, which I already did. It's ready to go. And I've got 2 of the loaf pans, which I sprayed with the canola oil. I'm dying to try this. That already tastes good without even cooking it. Oh my God. Just the batter alone, it already tastes good. Okay. So let's fold this in. That's going to be a lot. Yeah. They asked for 2 cups for a reason. I can't put in more than that. Miley! Miley, where's Bruce? Brucey! Brucey is William's new cat. And he just, after a month of being here, he just started coming downstairs and snooping around the kitchen. Miley, here's Brucey. Sorry guys, I can't pick him up right now because I'm busy. Okay, so now, see how nice that looks? That looks good. So now I'm going to put half and half. Miley, keep your claws to yourself. Okay, this looks delicious and ready to be put in the oven. I'll show you what that looks like. Actually, you know what? Maybe I could put a little bit more in this one. Yeah. Can you see what I'm doing here? I just added a little bit more zucchini. It's going to be fine. So it's going to have a little bit more than you're supposed to. I'm sure it's going to taste extra moist. And there you go. Okay. See? There you go. 1 and 2. So in the oven, and we'll see you back in an hour. So moist. Yummy.